Hey everyone, how y'all doing? I got a bunch of unboxings to do for you tonight. Um, yeah, these are essentially my Christmas gifts from my wife this year, and we ordered them from Blade HQ during the Black Friday sale. So I got three knives that I've wanted for quite a while. Two of them are older models. It's been on my wish list forever, and another one was released earlier this year that I wanted, and a couple freebies. And yeah, get down to it. So, first up in the box was a Blade HQ sticker. The box was too big to open the packing box, on camera. It had been like up to here. So I took everything out. But yeah, got the sticker, Blade HQ sticker, got the Blade HQ knife care bundle. We'll, we'll check that out. That was the freebie, and this was another freebie, the Civivi bit kit. T6, T8 screwdrivers, little keychain tool, and got one Kaiser knife, a second Kaiser knife. This one feels light, like there's nothing in it, and another Civivi. If you watched my last video, I unboxed the new Civivi Cogent. Pretty awesome button lock knife. Flipper, 14C28 in steel, purple G10, all the good stuff, deep carry pocket clip. But yeah, this is pretty nice knife for just under 70 bucks. I'm really liking it. But yeah, let's move on. Let's move some of the stuff out of the way. Let's check this out, see what we got in it. See right there is another Blade HQ sticker and a cleaning cloth if I can get to it. And you get a little tube of blue thread locker. That's always good to have. You get a tube of oil, Tough Glide with a needle applicator. That's pretty nice. I'll try that out. So get that. This cleaning cloth is, oh, there's two of them. Two little smaller ones. Nice. Both are embossed with Blade HQ. Get it in frame. You can see right here. So that's pretty awesome. Nice little kit. And you can purchase this from Blade HQ. It's not very much. I want to say $9-10. I don't think that's a bad deal. But yeah, let's move these over up there somewhere. The other thing, next thing, this key bit. So let's try to get this open. And yeah, that's in there pretty good. Looks like in the bottom you get a bunch of extra O-rings. Oh no, I lost it. Let me get it. You get a split ring and a little focus on it. Come on. It says O-Step Hell Design. Come on, right there. So that's pretty cool. Put that back. So this thing, put the key ring through here. Unscrew this. And you got a Torx bit. That's T6. Over here is a T8. So, and that's magnetic. That basically sucks that right in. The cap on one side says Blade HQ. And that's it. Doesn't, well, there's the Civivi logo right there on the end. So that's cool. It's not very big. It's very light. I don't have my ruler, but real quick, so out of curiosity, it is 1.71 inches long by 0.45 inches in diameter. So it's pretty small. Definitely fit on a key ring. I might put it on mine. It'll match. My key ring's black. And yeah. So that's cool. That was a freebie. This is aluminum for the giveaway, you know, the freebie. But you can buy these off Blade HQ, titanium. They're about 35 bucks. They look pretty nice. So yeah, there's that. And let's get into the first knife. Kaiser. This is the mini bag lighter. Like I said, this has been on my list forever. 2.9 inch. Azo design. There's a model number V3458RN3. N690 blade. Micarta red micarta steel liner. So yeah, let's definitely check this out. Like I said, just an overview. I mean, just a quick look. So in here, got their little envelope with stuff in it. You get a Kaiser cleaning cloth. You get the booklet. So that's cool. I'll skip that on the next one completely. And here's the mini bag lighter in red micarta. And it is a little bit smaller than I thought. But check it out. But that's nice micarta. Pretty smooth. Thumb studs. Semi-deep carry pocket clip. Gonna have just a little bit sticking out. Check the action. Wow, that rockets right out. It's listed as a Warncliffe blade. So it's between a Warncliffe and a sheep's foot. Pretty nice little knife. I'm liking this. About a 3.5 finger grip for me. Pretty lightweight. Skeletonized liners. Liner locks locking up good. No blade play. It's almost drop shutty. Probably never be real drop shutty. It's a small blade. Yeah, that's the first one. And let's do the second Kaiser knife. This is the mini dolman, 2.88 inch. If I can get things to focus. Again, it's an Azo design. Model number of this one's V3516N6. Again, it's N690 steel blade, white and black G10. And I thought this one looked pretty cool. You got the Stormtrooper color going. And you get the envelope. Move that over there. Check the knife out. This is looking pretty nice already. Yeah, I like the black and white. I don't have a white knife. My wife has a white mini bug out. Yeah, another thumb stud opener. About the same amount showing on this one as the mini bag lighter. Nice small pocket clip. They're about They look to be the same. Both of them are recessed. Pocket clips recessed. The screws are recessed. And let's try this one. Yeah, that opens up nice. Black stonewash finish. Got a lot of oil on it. But yeah, that's a nice blade. This one, I get a little better grip. Almost completely 4-finger. Yeah, not bad. Neither one of these. I do feel the tip of the pocket clip on both of them just a little bit. But yeah, boy, this is going to be a good utility blade. This one, man, I do like the black and white. Kind of reminds me of black and white wingtip shoes, or, you know what I mean? I don't know what they were actually called. But again, good lockup. No blade play. Nice. Now, I think the originals of the Dolman had a different pocket clip. Wasn't deep carry. The pivot was on washers. This is on bearings. Excellent action. Yeah. Nice. I'm liking both of these. These are pretty awesome. This one, man, I like the blade shape. I like the drop point on that. So, got those two. Man, I'm glad I got those. Then we got the Civivi. Check this out. This is the riffle. Dark green micarta handle. Gray stonewash. 14C28N steel. Both these, I'm sure I mentioned, are N690, which I like. But I do like 14C28N a little better. Gotta put in the Rough Rider Tadpole, aka Angry Watermelon. I use this to open the shipping box. Here we go. So, typical Civivi setup. Most people know how Civivis come, but if you don't, come in a nice pouch. I think only the Civivi Fracture did not come in a pouch. That's the only one I know of, but again, you get some cool stickers, an Elementum sticker, Civivi sticker, paperwork, another cleaning cloth. Nice. So I got 5 cleaning cloths today. And check this out. Yeah, I was kind of on the fence about this when it first came out. Then I saw reviews and stuff, and man, nobody had anything bad to say about it. Wow, I like the micarta on this. It's got a little texture to it. This one is pretty smooth. This one, if you mistake it for G10, really smooth G10, but this one, man, that's nice. I like that. Pretty cool overall shape. Flipper, got a hole, large hole, nice deep carry pocket clip, Civivi's pocket clip. Clip is not recessed, but the screws are. Centering in this one is perfect. But let's try it. Wow, that's nice. This thing is excellent. Ergos are excellent. All 4 fingers, full grip. Pocket clip, I don't even feel it. Great jimping up here. Lockup's good. No blade play. Oh, that's smooth. Might have just a little bit of lock stick. You can hear it click. Let's do that again. Yeah, it clicks a little bit. Can I Spidey flick it? Oh yeah. That's nice. Yeah. Why was I on the fence about this? I don't know. I don't know. That's pretty awesome. That's almost as... That's... I don't know. I like the new Cogent. The Riffle, they're about the same size overall. You go from tip to tip to tip. About the same blade length. This nice flat grind on this. Yeah, move that out of the way. Oh man. Yeah, I can't say enough. Already I'm liking this. I'm liking all three of them. They're all pretty sweet. Boy, this thing, nice and smooth. This one's a little bit stiffer, but not bad. A little small for my hand. I was having a little trouble opening it there, holding it. But yeah, nice. So definitely be on the lookout for more videos on these 4 knives. I have a bunch of full reviews to do. I'll do reviews on this. I might do first impressions after I carry them for each a couple of days. Tell you more. Go through the specs. We could do some of that right now, real fast. Okay, so on a mini bag lighter, it's on sale right now for $50. Here's the specs. 6.625 overall length, 2.875 blade, Bowler N690, Warncliffe, handles 3.75 inches long, 0.43 inches thick, 2.37 ounces. Pretty good. So you can screenshot, pause, read that. I'll move it up in a second. There's the rest of it. And that's right off Blade HQ where I got it. I got all these from Blade HQ this time. Go on to the mini dolman right here. This is on sale for $50 too. Still, here's the specs. 6.875 overall length, 2.875 blade, 0.011 blade thickness. Again, it's Bowler N690 drop point, G10 black and white, 2.93 ounces. Right hand, left hand, tip up. So there's the specs right there. And there's the rest of the write-up. Pretty awesome. Now, the riffle, which I am really liking, is, if I can find it, right here. These are on sale also for $48.75. That's an awesome price for that knife, let me tell you. I got the dark green micarta, this one. Again, $48.75. Specs are right here. Overall length 8 inches, blade is 3.5. Blade thickness is 0.12. Sandvik 14C28 steel. Drop point, hollow. That's hollow. I don't know. I think it's flat grind. Yeah, I'm calling it flat. Micarta green, 3.42 ounces, right hand. It says right hand, but it's actually right hand, left hand tip up. Manual flipper, thumb hole. Yeah. So here's the specs on the riffle. You can pause, read, screenshot, whatever. There you go. Pretty awesome. I got 3 awesome knives, plus I got this one beforehand. The Cogent, awesome Civivi. 2 more Civivis in my collection, 2 more Kaisers. I only have 2 other Kaisers, but I'll show them when I come back to those later on. And yeah, I guess that's it. So this is most of my Christmas haul from my wife, except for I bought that. Pardon me. But yeah, guess that's it. Like I said, quick unboxing, little overview, some cool freebies during the Black Friday sale. I got some cool stickers. And I guess that's it for this video. As usual, hit the like button, leave a comment down below. You have any of these items, knives, the bit key, or the key bit, the knife care kit, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And until the next video, bye.